Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher. In this lesson, we'll focus on analyzing and interpreting data effectively for Section A of your BTEC Unit 6 Principles of Management exam. Strong data analysis is key to high marks as it shows your ability to evaluate business performance, identify trends, and justify decisions with evidence. Examiners expect data-driven responses, so using case study data correctly is essential. Start by identifying key data points in the case study, such as financial figures, workforce trends, or productivity levels. Simply stating data isn't enough, you must explain its significance. If revenue has increased but profit margins have fallen, this may indicate rising costs or pricing issues. If staff turnover is high, it could be due to poor management, low morale, or industry competition. Next, analyze trends and patterns. Look for increases, decreases, or fluctuations and connect them to business performance. If revenue has dropped, is it due to weak marketing, economic conditions, or inefficiencies? Strong responses link data to real business challenges rather than just listing figures. Applying management theory strengthens your analysis. Use models like Maslow's hierarchy of needs to explain motivation, Porter's 5 forces to assess competition, or financial ratios to evaluate profitability. This demonstrates a deeper understanding of business decision-making. Examiners expect comparisons and benchmarks. If customer satisfaction is 70% while competitors average 85%, this signals a competitive weakness. Comparing financial data across years helps identify improvements or declines, allowing for stronger recommendations. A well-balanced response includes critical evaluation. Avoid assuming profit growth means success. Consider long-term sustainability and risks. If revenue is rising but debt levels are high, financial instability may still be an issue. Strong answers consider both positive and negative aspects of the data to provide balance. Your recommendations must be data-driven and justified. A vague suggestion like improve working conditions won't secure marks. Instead, if data shows staff leaving due to low pay, propose a salary review backed by financial feasibility. If profits have dropped due to rising costs, suggest cost-cutting or efficiency improvements. High-scoring answers always link recommendations directly to data. A common mistake is listing data without explaining its impact. Stating the company has a low profit margin is weak unless you explain how it affects decision-making, stability, or competitive strategy. Your response should connect data, trends, and recommendations smoothly. To maximize marks, keep your analysis structured, precise, and relevant. Always link back to the case study, use business models to support your points, and ensure recommendations are practical and justified by data. Thank you for listening to Mr. G. Please like, subscribe, and comment.